Hi guys, so in today's lecture what we are going to do is we will show a small response like text on our web browser. Okay. So for that we need to define some methods and URLs. So we are going to do that in home application. So remember, if you seen my previous videos, then we have made an application named home. So in that application there are multiple files, and I said that we are going to use mainly five files: admin.py, models.py, urls.py, views.py, and in case of forms.py, which will add in upcoming lectures if needed. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to make a view. Okay, so for showing response, I will use urls.py and views.py. So first of all, we need to make view. So view is just a function. Then what I need to write is I want to show hello world. Okay, so I am making hello function, and always I need to pass a request. Okay. So we are now working with Django server, so we need to pass request to server, and using that request I can show any response, like if I want to show template, HTML template, or I want to show only text in the browser, then I can do using these functions. Okay, sorry, request. So what I need to do is I need to first import HTTP response. I am going to show a text in web browser. So from HTTP import HTTP, okay, from Django.http, sorry, my bad, HTTP import HTTP response. So using this HTTP response, I will show uh, hello world on web browser. So what I need to write is return HTTP response, and in the parentheses, whatever I need to write, I will write that hello world. Okay, so this will show us on the web browser, but we need to provide an URL also. Okay, so first of all, we need to make a URL. So in home application, what I will do is urls.py. First of all, I need to import path function, using which I will make URLs. So from Django dot URLs import path, and every time in urls.py we need to provide a list named URL patterns. So this list name must not change. You can't change this list name. So in this I will use path variable, and for making path I need to first of all provide URL, and in that URL, first of all, what you want to provide, like suppose I am writing in browser uh, 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. So first wait for the loading. Okay, so 127.0.0.0, and what I will write, that suppose I will write hello, and if I hit enter, then I want to show that I want that our Django application shows hello world on this web browser. So first of all, we need to make this that now it is giving it will not give something because the server is not run. Then what I need to do is I want to write hello here, and if I hit enter, I want to show hello world. So for making that, what I will write hello here, and because whatever you want to write after 8000 slash, I will write here. So this is wrong. I'm explaining you wrong to teach you right. Okay, so just focus, this is wrong process, so this will not work. So what I need to do is just focus. What you need to do is just focus, and try to understand this. Okay, so in views.py, this function returns this hello world using HTTP response. So I need this function in urls.py. So in path variable, there is first parameter will be URL, then another parameter will be the name of the function which will run on this URL. So what I will do is from dot views import home. So what this dot view means is dot means sorry, this is not home, this is hello. So dot means in this particular application. Okay, so we are working in home application, home applications URL dot py. So this dot will refer to this home application only, and this home application views dot py, it will import hello function. Okay, so I will use this hello function here. I just need to pass the function name. Just here, comma is needed. Then suppose if I run this terminal, Python manage.py run server. Okay, so in demo folder, I need to go inside YT and again run this command Python manage.py run server. On this path I'm running, so here my Django server is running. But if I provide slash hello, then it will not work, because here we have provided URL, that is okay. So it is okay that all the procedure is okay. So we have done this, but what we are facing is why it is not showing us what we need to see. So here's the problem. Like when I explained you that settings.py, that this part, like root URL configuration, so it takes us to yt.url. So yt is the main application, and in this urls.py, it takes us to urls.py. But there is no path we can reach to the this home applications urls.py. Okay, so here is the problem, that we are not reaching to the home applications. Yes, we have written the name of the application in installed apps here. Okay, and here we have written that home application. So our app is registered Django. Know that our app is here, but but it is not reaching there. Okay, so we need to make a path for that too. So in YT applications urls.py, Django settings brings us here. So what I need to do is I need to connect home application from here. So I will write path, and suppose I want to show that home. Okay, if I write home, then it will reach. It will take it. It will take us to the home applications urls.py. So after that, what I need to do is I need to import a function first, that uh, include, and I will write something like this, include, and then in single quotes, application name to which we need to reach dot urls. Okay, so include home dot urls. What include dot home dot urls will do, that it will whenever we hit this URL on browser, it will take us to home applications urls dot py. Okay, so now we reached to the home dot urls part. Now if I again run this, then we can see this like here, that we need to try home now. Okay, so if I try to write home here, okay, so I will sing something like this, home slash. So what I need to, what I'm seeing right now, this type of URL, like home slash hello. So what it shows, that if I write home, where I reached URLs in home applications urls.py. But when I write also this, then this function is gonna run. Okay, so it is giving us the suggestion. Okay, so this is giving us a suggestion that if I write hello here, okay, this is the URLs which we can write after 8000 slash, okay, home slash hello. And if I write this, then I can see here that hello world is present. But what I wanted is, when I write a hello something like this, then I need to see hello world. So to make this happen, what I will do is, in settings.py, sorry, in set not in settings.py, in urls.py of main application, I can write here hello. Okay. But now what will happen is, if I write something like this, hello slash, then we need to pass two times hello. Okay. Why? Because one hello, like main applications hello is taking us to the home applications urls.py, and another hello here will take us to the hello, will take us to the main whatever work we want to do, like printing hello world on web browser. So it will do this. So what I can do is, either I can remove this hello, so I can write blank here, and if I refresh this, then I can see this. Or what can I do is, I will remove this part hello slash from here, and also run this. Okay, so we can do both things, but I will prefer to do like this. Okay, so I will blank this url, which is home slash urls.py url. I will not write blank inside this. Okay, so this is good. When I write this, it will take us to the home applications urls.py, and here there is nothing. Okay, so behind this there is nothing. So on that part, hello application, hello function will run, and hello function, where it resides in views.py. So in views.py, what it is saying that it is returning HTTP response, and in HTTP response, what is returned? Hello world return. So this is the hello world. Okay, so you can make your own path, whatever you want to make. If you want to write something like this, that if you want that, oh, hello slash hello world, then you can write like this, hello world. Okay, so if you now append hello world, then what will, so that same response, if I remove this, it will not showing me the response, because now path is different. So this is about the basic stuff, like how we can return an HTTP response, like whatever you want to write in the text format. So that's why HTTP response is used. And yes, this is from my side for this lecture, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet. And bye bye.